Hi guys, it's me again. I hope you come back. I do not know what happened, but we suddenly just got knocked off the line. So we're back, and I will give you guys a few seconds to try to pick up. Hopefully you guys will all be able to come right back and join me. I guess Facebook kicked me off, or the internet, God only knows. So I guess we can just go ahead and continue. Oh, hi, Nell. Yay. Yes, we're back. I don't know what happened, but we're back. Yay. We're going to go ahead and finish her up. Just give some little fine dog traits in her.
My computer, you just went off the air.
Yeah, we're back.
Yeah, we're back. Thank you. We had some problems with internet. Hi, Brooklyn. Welcome back. And Belinda, welcome. Oh, thank you. Go ahead and lower you guys back down, okay? Watch your eyes, and we should be back. Alrighty. So all we have to do to kind of finish her up is I'm picking up my Choco. I wanted to add, because this is so dark and this is more coming to life, I wanted to add some of the darkness over here because you don't want it to like be so overbalanced on one side. So we're going to go ahead and just put some Choco through here, and what catches, catches, what doesn't, doesn't. Because the chocolate, you can always blow it off. Well, not all of it, of course, because I'm blending it in. And just give her some little dark over here. And then that way, start say Belinda. No, this is not Belinda. This is Diana. Diana, I saw her name when I almost said it because I saw your name, Belinda. That's a pretty name. I love that name. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and just give her a few little dark places here and there. And then to make sure that my chocolate and everything seals, because it's half paint, half chocolate, I will totally just I would take her and I will have her take her outside and I will spray her. We're just going to add, I know it's kind of like she's fading out, which she's supposed to, so I guess we're doing okay. Don't want to add too much. There we go. Down here I see some lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my brush and I'm just going to do this. Nothing fancy. If it blends, it blends. Doesn't. And also you can use your hands. Pick up your charcoal and just rub your hands through it. And we can blend her together. So now all the way around, blend it together. She is connected to one.
So you do beautiful work. I did a paint twist and just paint my dog, which was fun, but I definitely can't find detail unless instructed.
Oh, cool. I'm glad you paint. Keep painting. You know, I had an art teacher, and I'm sure I told this in one of my other, I'm just trying to fade this piece in here. Hi, Johnny. Welcome back. I'm just trying to bring this little piece here out. I had an art teacher. Everybody loved him. I loved him. He was he looks like an old-time gentleman. Always smoke a cigar. He's kind of rough. And he was one heck of an artist. And I took his class, and I was honored to take his class. Okay, guys, I discovered something that Diana showed me. So we're going to put it in there because she does all them eyelashes. Then I'll tell you my story. But I need to focus on the eyelashes because I do tend to mess these up and I don't want to. Eyelashes, you're going to not just go up like this, okay? You're going to want to go right down to where they will come out from that white, which I don't have the white on here because Diana don't show it yet. But I'm going to pull it up, okay? You're just coming on that dark line and you're just going to pull them up. Okay, now I want to show you a trick. So now I got what looks like my little long lashes coming through and some little short lashes. When you get to the middle part, oh, that one's way too long, but that's okay. That's my bad. When you get to that middle part, you don't just keep going like that. You kind of turn. You bring it to a turn. You're turning it. And then you can just go smaller and smaller, bigger and bigger. And what I messed up on was when I looked away, I didn't pay attention where I placed my thing. So I can just go ahead and bring out my little shader, and I can kind of blend some of that in so it will look like she is wearing a little bit of maybe makeup. See how that just kind of blends in there? Because it still has my charcoal, just blending. Any extra little lines and stuff is just a design. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. Because Diana is not showing herself to me yet. I think someday she will. My hands still have the ink, so I can literally destroy this by going like that, so I won't. With these brushes, or the things I called the shaders, really cool because you can like pick up from here and you can bring it in here and shade. That's what a shader does. And you can bring it out and just, blend it out. It kind of blends it together. So the very last you should always do on your painting, and then I'll tell you my little story real fast, that's all, is find the brush that you want. I better get this in water. And I had that little brush right over here somewhere, and I lost it. So you know what? We're going to improvise. We're going to make our own brush because I don't want to use the actual brush. You always got to sign your work. It doesn't matter if it's purple, pink, polka dotted, yellow, black, and white. It doesn't matter. It's totally your creation. So it doesn't matter if you have your actual name all the way out or anywhere on your drawing or your painting, as long as you sign it, because it's yours. I'm picking up my black charcoal, and I'm actually, my signature has always been my initials with a certain design, and it won't let me, so I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil. Where's that brush? Oh, duh, I put it up. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use the white because I do want it to show. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my initial, my signature, which is actually all done in capital on my particular sign. I'm not trying to get it to be perfect. I just want to get it to carve in there. And this one may not let me either for some reason. Let me pick up the extra there. Try to get it to blend in there. We're getting it going. I can't believe it's taking this long to put my initials down. Maybe it wants me to be creative, right? Okay. So we got some of it in there. Let's pick up the rest. All I'm doing is my initials is S for Shauna, M for my middle name, this is like being so stubborn. This is the hardest I ever had to do this. Okay, so we're just going to make it work. And I never go straight with my M. It has to go at an angle for the most part. Here we go. M. And then O, which is my birth name. So put the O down here. And I might accidentally come back with black because this is so not letting me do it. And then I have this certain little thing that I put on the bottom. I broke my chocolate. Okay. Then it has this thing that I always put on the bottom. My initials. And it goes like a Z. And then I have 2 dots at the end of that Z and a line in the middle. So that's the last thing you always do to your, I'm bringing you guys up. Watch your eyes. Your painting. I don't know what is being said. What Robin said. I'm bringing you guys closer and show you this too. Let me show you guys. This is Diana. Diana, this is everybody. She has been in my life for years. And this is the first time she's actually given me more of her face. So maybe she's going to show herself to me another 50, 60 years. If she is my guardian angel or something, we can wait 60 years to see what she looks like, right? So this is Diana. She's done simply out of acrylic white paint, you guys, on an 11 by 14 canvas.
Hi, Becky.
Hi, Becky. And black charcoal. and it's all blended in and mixed together. The pencil, I did use a pencil, I forgot. I used HB, which people do artwork. I don't know how to describe the pencil, but I'm sure they can explain it better than me. So this is Diana. She's just kind of there. She watches over. You cannot see total detail in her face or coloration because you're not supposed to yet. But she won't let me. So with that aside, oh, thank you. Appreciate it. I could have added more white or more dog or a tree, but I just didn't do that this time. I'm freezing back here. One of the things that I was telling you was about my art teacher, and let me tell you real fast. I did this perfect. Yes, it was perfect. I made sure it was. He had this couple vases and like some fruit in a basket. I guess it was fruit. I don't know what it was now. It's been years. But he had the vases in a bowl, and I had to draw it with a pencil, charcoal. And I did detail, huge drawing. And he told me that it would look good. Do it again. I was like, okay, I'll do it again. Because it didn't take me long to do it. So I was a little frustrated, but I did it again because he's my teacher and he's teaching me something, obviously, so I had to learn it after I paid for the class. So I'm in my college class and I'm taking this art class and he's telling me to do another one. So I did another one. He walks over and he goes, just like the other one. Very nice. Do it again. You think of these stories so many times and you probably say them, you get little cuts and versions of the actual story because you don't want to get into a lot of details. The long story short with this one is my third one. I was furious. I was very frustrated with him. So I scribbled. It looked like what it was supposed to be, but it was scribbled. And he walked up to me and he goes, very good, Shauna. You did it. You found your style. And I was like, so that's what you were trying to teach me. Still today, I think of these events as him teaching me these things, and I still wonder why he did it that way. And then now, at 50 years old, I'm like, I get it.
Testing you?
I think he was testing me now. I really do.
And Robin says you are a wonderful artist.
Oh, thank you, Robin. I appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you'd be so kind to like and share. Every little like and share we get helps a lot. And my daughter is going to be doing something for our lives tomorrow. She wouldn't let paint for us. Maybe she'll paint. I don't know. But on that note, I wish you all an absolutely gorgeous day. And as always, thank you for coming and be blessed.